Okay, I'm going to try and use FreeCAD's new toolbit library feature to add my endmill. Earlier, I was using something called Better Tool Library, but apparently starting with FreeCAD 1.0.1, the Better Tool Library has been deprecated and you don't need an add-on because most of the features exist in the base FreeCAD tool library. So to do that, you gotta come here and click this toolbit doc, and then it says, oh, well, you haven't set up the working directory, so do you want to do that now? I said yes. Okay, so I want to pick the path where I want to put that stuff. Let's say I want to create a new folder for toolbit library, and I'll say okay. So now it'll create the subdirectories in the library. So I'll just go ahead and say, okay, copy the example files. Yeah, okay. So I now have a toolbit library which has basically the standard toolbits, but I want to add my own. So I guess I need to create a toolbit. So I'm going to start by picking an endmill, and so I'm going to call this my white side RU2100 endmill. Okay, now this has a cutting height of 1 inch, a diameter of 0.25 inch, a length of about 2 inches. The length should be fairly inconsequential. The shaft diameter of 1/4 inch again, and I'd say it's made of 2 flutes and it's made of carbide. Spindle direction is forward. I guess instead of chip load, I'm manually setting my plunge rates. So yeah, I'm not mucking around with that here. So there's my new white side endmill. Yeah, it's now there. So let's get rid of the old white side endmill, and oops, I don't want that. Let's change it over. I don't want to break my profile paths. Let's change this over. Let's say add to job. So here's my white side and new white side endmill. And in the job, when it comes to tools, I can set the horizontal feed, which I like at 120 inches a minute and 70 inches a minute or 60 inches a minute on plunge, and spindle direction is forward. So that actually is how I set up the tool.